glass for driver change. Copy, 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 now.
Now, to help unveil the car, I would like to welcome Mr. Maurizio Reggiani, Lamborghini's Chief Technical Officer. Now we're ready to unveil the car for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo EV02. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for the unveiling of the car. I'm sure the Lamborghini fans all over the world are dying to know every single detail about this new car. Maurizio, shall we start with you? Thank you very much, Mr. Winkman. Maurizio, let's please start from the beginning.
First of all, please consider that Lamborghini racing is not only a matter of how many trophies we can collect, and is not only a matter of speed. I would like to say it is only a matter of passion, but it's obvious and clear to everybody. Passion is fundamental, but motorsport is primarily a matter of daily hard work, engineering and development. And the Super Trofeo Championship is the best proving ground for testing technical solutions you will drive on the road tomorrow.
So we've got stunning design, we've got top-class aerodynamics and amazing performance. What else could you possibly need?
You will need good brakes, and we have it. Another very important element of the new Super Trofeo EV02 is the braking system. Totally new, totally redefined, totally engineering by Squadra Corse to ensure the best braking performance, highest safety standard and affordable consumption, because our philosophy is the constant research of a delicate balance between top performance and sustainability.
Thank you very much, Maurizio. The car looks super cool. Now we've heard about some of the technical features on the car. Let's turn our attention towards some of the inspiration and the design. And we have just the man for the job. Can I please welcome Mitja Borkirk, Lamborghini's Head of Design.
Hello Dakota, hello. Hello everybody. So let's now introduce the design. Let's speak about design. So with our Super Trofeo EV02, we realized a race car that is so futuristic looking and so cool looking. And let me now introduce what are the thoughts behind the design of this car. So first of all, on the front, we took inspiration of our STO, the Huracan STO, as you can see with this kind of Omega theme. Then we introduced here a bigger front splitter, so to increase the downforce. One feature is here the air curtain, where we are using this kind of Y shape, Y shape, that is very particular design feature of Lamborghini. We are really proud about these very thin and slim Terminator front lights. We are using also here an hexagon, and they're really, really mean looking, and you know, they look already like in attack mode. We have worked heavily here on the louvres to suck out the hot air of the front wheel. We introduced also here a complete new rocker panel to also increase the downforce. A special livery, we are using here the idea of integrating the watch of Roger Dubuis on the roof, Also here with the orange stripe as a signature of Squadra Corse. We have introduced also here for the first time on the Huracan a Louvre. So we are also sucking out the hot air here, and we're using this panel, this fin, also to cut out or to cut away the rear wind. One feature that I like a lot are these two blades here. They are, first of all, in terms of function, separating the airflow on top of the rear fenders, and they are channelizing in a pretty good way also the air that is floating on top of the roof, and they are creating also a very cool Lamborghini design feature. Talking about Lamborghini design feature, of course, the rear view is always something really important, and we are also here very proud about the result. So also here we are using inspiration of the Countach. So we have this hexagonal feature here, and also here we are finishing the car with tail lights that are slim like a Terminator, and they are giving also this distinctive look to the rear end. One word on the livery again. We are using on this presentation car a matte green in combination with orange lines. The orange is the iconic color of Squadra Corse, and all together I think is creating a race car that looks super cool and is fitting perfectly to Lamborghini, to our philosophy, we race in style.
Thank you very much, Mitja. What an interesting speech. And last but not least, a few words from Lamborghini's head of motorsport, Giorgio Sanna.
Thank you, Dakota. In a few years, Squadra Corse has established itself in the most important international competition, and the Huracan Super Trofeo has an undisputed point of reference in the one-make series world. Furthermore, and very important from our perspective, Super Trofeo is the best testing ground possible for our young drivers. I'm really proud of our young drivers program because since 2014, we have helped a wealth of fast and talented guys to become professional drivers. And now a number of them are competing in the most prestigious GT3 championships worldwide.
And do you think that you've scored the target?
I'm sure yes, but let's wait 2022, the response of our drivers and racing teams.
Thank you, Giorgio. We're really looking forward to seeing this car on track next year.
Thank you, Dakota. Thanks everybody, and see you on the track.